Hello friends, welcome to my channel Celebrity Wars. Today I am talking about Justin Trudeau. Justin Perry James is a Canadian politician serving as the 23rd and current Prime Minister of Canada since 2015 and leader of the Liberal Party since 2013. He was made the next Prime Minister of Canada after leading his party in the October 19, 2015 federal election to a majority government victory. Biography. Real name Justin Perry James Trudeau. Profession teacher, politician. Political party Liberal Party of Canada. Nationality Canadian. Sunshine Capricorn. Personal life about Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau was born on December 25, 1971 in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. He is currently 48 years old. Religion Roman Catholicism. Education. Trudeau has a Bachelor of Arts degree in Literature from McGill University and a Bachelor of Education degree from the University of British Columbia. He taught at West Point Grey Academy and Sir Winston Churchill Secondary School and Vancouver, British Columbia as a social studies and French teacher. Family about Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau's father name is Perry Trudeau and his mother name is Margaret Sinclair. Justin Trudeau has two brothers named Michael Trudeau, Kelly Kemper. Justin Trudeau has two sisters named Sarah Elizabeth Coyne, Alicia Kemper. Justin Trudeau has two sons named Xavier James Trudeau, Hadrian Trudeau. Justin Trudeau has a daughter named Ella Grace Margaret Trudeau. Relationship. Trudeau is married to Sophie Georgiou, who first met her when they both grew up and went to school as children in Montreal, Canada. Physical statistics about Justin Trudeau. His height is 6 feet 2 inches tall and his weight is 78 kg. His eye color is blue and his hair color is blondie. Professional statistics about Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau started his political career after he got involved with the Liberal Party following his father's death on October 2000. On April 29, 2007, Trudeau won the Liberal Party nomination and then won the election of Papineau on October 14, 2008. In 2008, Trudeau became a part of Parliament after he was chosen as a member of the official opposition. He was also appointed as the party's critic of multiculturalism and youth in 2009. Trudeau became the first sitting Prime Minister to break federal conflict of interest rules in 2017. Later in 2018, Trudeau was criticized for inviting the Khalistani nationalist Jaspal Aswal to the Canadian High Commission's dinner party in Delhi. Net worth of Justin Trudeau. As of 2020, Justin Trudeau has a net worth of $30 million. Hobbies: boxing, acting, rock climbing, skiing, watching hockey and football. Favorite food: Asian cuisines. Favorite movie: Star Wars. Favorite TV show: Sherlock, The Americans. House and cars of Justin Trudeau. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.